Hi, I'm dear friends. This is Unity. We have our game object created, and now I'll show you how to make it move, how to set up the movement, and then our game object will move right or left or up or down. So let me maybe change a little bit the scale. Let's do it a little bit like smaller, everything to be more visible better. Okay, it's 2D, we don't have third coordinate. Okay, so this is our object. Let's create script. So I am creating scripting mono behavior script, and I will name it, for example, translate move. Okay, what I will do, I will use here, after using Unity engine, using system collections. Okay, and here we have the name of our class, and now let's remove all those explanations. Let's start. After starting, I want to create the variable which will indicate where I want to move my object. So it will be public vector 2, and let's name it something like, I don't know, direction, for example. And vector 2, this is a vector, it has two coordinates. They can be 0 or 1 or -1. If it's 0, the object is not moving on this axis, and if it's 1, it's moving right if this is axis X, or up if this is axis Y, and if it's -1, it's moving left if this is the first coordinate, and it's moving down if this is the second coordinate. Okay, so we will have this public direction variable, and I will indicate public float variable for indicating speed, how fast it has to move. For example, I will name it speed, and let it be, for example, 5f. Okay. And now those variables have to be before start. We have to choose them. We have to create them before start method. Now let's create our update void, and actually what I will do, depending of our direction, of our speed, I will do the movement. So it will be like transform translate, and then we have direction multiplied by our speed and multiply by time delta time. Delta time. Now let's see. I think it's done. Let us save it. Oh, you see, this is the mistake. Different names. Okay, now let's try it. Save it again, and let's try. Okay, this is our ladybug. And what we have to do, we have to add as a component this script. Okay, so we have direction, no direction yet, and speed 5, for example. Okay, let us see if we choose direction x1. 1. Okay, let's wait, stop. Let's decrease the speed a little bit, for example 1, and direction 1. It works. Okay, then let us see, let it be, let it be direction here 0, but we want it to go up like this. Okay, it works, it's okay. And next lesson we'll see how to do if you want your object to move, depends on your click. You're clicking and it's changing its direction. Okay, thank you. Bye.